In order to test Checkpoint fully, you need to evaluate it to get an evaluation license and install it on the device so you can try and test it, for 30 days straight. In order to do so, you need to get on the support side, supportcenter.checkpoint.com, and then move to try our products. When you get there, go for product evaluation. Click there, and now we're gonna fill up some information and then place the generated file into the system, and I'm gonna show you how to do so. Once the page opens, I want you to go for all-in-one evaluation and click next. Alright, so over here, if you're doing it from your home account, from your personal account, you're gonna pretty much have only one account here. If you're doing that from a partner account, you're gonna have a bunch of accounts here, and you want to choose your own. Alright, anyway, they ask us for our IP address of the management server. It's optional here, and I'm gonna leave it because, during the evaluation process, they're gonna ask us the same question again. Purpose of evaluation, just click evaluation of software, blade, or a feature. We want to see how it works. And then we click get evaluation. It's taken a little bit of time, and once it's done, it's gonna ask us if we want to install a local license or a central license. Alright, perfect. It has been completed. Now we have 30 days of license, and I want to view my license directly. Let's go there to view this license directly in Product Center. Click here. We're gonna do that. Alright, you're gonna see a screen here. You have to click license. As I've mentioned, they are asking us if we want a central license or a local license. So the difference between these two is basically when you click central license, your license is attached to the IP address of your management server. If you click local address, your license is attached to both your gateway IP address and your management IP address. Let's say somehow you switch the gateway address, the license will be detached. Since it's a standalone, we can go for central license, and don't worry about this since it's just the beginning of the Checkpoint series. Alright, and we have to place the address that is the main address of our management server. Oh, we have lost a connection. We're gonna reconnect. So, but anyway, we use the address which is 192. The address we used all the time during this course, this address, we can actually copy it from here. This is the address we're gonna be using, because that address will be associated with the main IP address in a database of Checkpoint. So then we have to click Checkpoint. The operating system is Gaia, and then we're gonna